Hey friends, welcome back. I'm Jane Sarche and I am your one pot camping recipe ninja. This is Myrtle, my beautiful camper van, and it's in this little kitchen that we bring you weekly recipes that will keep your camping expeditions very well fed. So today's recipe is for a delicious Thai green curry. However, this one is a little bit different because it's vegan. So if you are vegan, then you need to source your Thai green curry paste well, because most of them have shrimp paste and or fish sauce in. So make sure you read those labels. So first up, let's get this pan on. So I'm using coconut oil today. Once your oil has got hot, then pop your curry paste in. And you just want to fry that paste until the van is filled with the most amazing scents. Okay, I'm going to add in half a red onion. Next up, add some veggies. I'm using half a red pepper, half a yellow pepper and some green beans that I've chopped up because that's what I had in my fridge. Pop them in. Just give them 30 seconds or so just to start picking up that flavour. Now you're going to add a mini can of coconut milk. This one is 165 millilitres. These little cans are so handy to keep in your van. I get them from B&M and I get 4 for £1, really good value. Then fill the can back up with water and pour that in too. Pop your lid on if you have one and bring it up to a quick boil. When the curry comes up to a boil, take the lid off. Add in your cashew nuts, give them a little squeeze around. Turn the heat down and let this simmer. We want that sauce to start thickening up. Now, this is ready, but before I serve it up, I'm eating a low carb diet at the moment, so I'm not going to add rice. However, if you wanted to make this a full rounded meal with carbohydrates as well, then all you need to get is a packet of microwaveable rice. Now, this stuff is already cooked, you just need to heat it up. In previous videos, you may have seen me do this before. You just open the pack and sprinkle the rice over the top of your meal, pop the lid back on and cook for another 2 or 3 minutes. That's just going to heat that rice up. Then you can serve and you've still got a one pot meal, but with your curry and with your rice. Now traditionally at this point we'd be adding some fish sauce, but we're not going to obviously do that because we're keeping it vegan. So instead of fish sauce, I'm going to use a splash of soy sauce, not too much, and a squeeze of fresh lime. And just to make it look extra pretty, a few little slices of fresh chilli. So I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. As always, I'll see you next Wednesday for another one pot camping recipe. If you did enjoy this recipe, please hit the thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel if you'd like. Have a great week, guys. Happy camping.